Welcome back to Lady Shar Reacts. You know what we got in the forecast today? It's gonna snow. Really, it's like 80 something degrees outside and it's a gorgeous day, but Oklahoma weather's playing with my emotions because we're having another cold front tomorrow, and it's playing with my body because I hurt everywhere. But we're here for a little distraction from that. This is Snow the Product, Child Support, and we got Daddy Juju with a baby bump, a cigarette, Mommy to Be sash, her hair in curlers, tears down her face, and you know what? She's still beautiful. She's a hot mess, but she's still beautiful. I would title this a beautiful disaster. Alright. Like, comment, subscribe. Hashtag where my product pushers at. Hashtag for the snowstorm. And hashtag share the music. Are y'all ready? I'm ready. We're gonna let it ride all the way through. Snow get her copyright money, and we will get to enjoy this fabulous song. Then, if there's any bars that need to be breaking down, like if she has bars that need to be broke down in this, of course I will do so. Sometimes her songs are straightforward. Sometimes you need to, break down some stuff. Sometimes she will just blow your mind with a bar, and I'm good with that. If that happens, we will stop, collect our brain matter, put it back together, and roll. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. Are y'all ready? I'm ready. Let's go.
What do you mean you can't pick him up this weekend? Bro, you haven't seen your kid in like 7 months.
Hold on. I think I missed something. I was breaking down the first visual of the video, and we know how creative Snow is. So, yeah, you see that? Baby mama's calling. Let's go, Snow. You don't miss a trick.
Up this weekend. Bro, you haven't seen your kid in like 7 months. Bruh. You think this life is easy. You got hoes trying to be me. You out here texting and finessing while your child is needy. You got your pockets greedy. I gave you block your CDs. Man, I done held you down and held you up. This how you did me. I fucked up and let you give me a baby. Notice you started getting real lazy.
She's already fucking switched the flow up. I'm not surprised because that is how she do. How I do it. Love that song. If you're in the way, then beep, 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 beep. Not your head like, see. Got it. Y'all know which one I'm talking about.
Held you down and held you up. This how you did me. I fucked up and let you give me a baby. Notice you started getting real lazy. Got on your ass, you started to hate me. Needed a loan, you never repaid me. All of a sudden I'm the one you hate. Why? Cause
you needed a loan, then you couldn't repay me. Ooh, she's spilling a little tea.
Got on your ass, you started to hate me. Needed a loan, you never repaid me. All of a sudden I'm the one you hate. Why? Cause it's true. You hate that I'm the only one that know the real you. I ain't these hoes, take off they clothes, you all alone, everyone knows, cause as your child grow bigger, child support don't stag. I ain't gotta say shit, your baby said you so whack. I ain't these hoes, I'm out here bold, you going broke, you all alone, said you got this and you got that, but you ain't.
Hold on.
You all alone, said you got this and you got.
I love that look on Snow. I do. I mean, her purple hair is popping as fuck. And I love it when she does her hair pink. I'm not a big fan of the lime green. as far as hair color, but the pink and the purple and the blonde and the black with the red in the ends. Girl, who am I kidding? I've never seen Snow looking bad. She looked good no matter what. But yeah, what's this?
But you ain't got nothing to show. Now you all up in my business. I don't want you no good riddance. Fuck your feelings. Yeah, we got a kid and all, but you got to be kidding. Good.
Yeah, we got a kid and all, but you gotta be kidding. Oh, it's a bandana with glasses with a palm tree behind it. I was trying to figure out what in the hell kind of contraption was on this over here. They play too much. They just have too much fun. I want to go and hang out.
Fuck your feelings. Yeah, we got a kid and all, but you got to be. You boys be bragging about your bitter baby mamas for the streets. Talking about we want you back. What the fuck you think your baby eats? I don't even need a check, but oh my god, I hate a bum. How do you floss and talking shit on Facebook? You ain't seen your son, but I mean good riddance. Fuck your feelings. Yeah, we got a kid and all, but you got to be kidding.
Ooh, fuck your feelings. I know we got a kid and all, but you got to be kidding. Look at this. You're... Wow, Snow. You're fire.
Good riddance. Fuck your feelings. Yeah, we got a kid and all, but you got to be kidding. Telling
okay, and the orange hair is beautiful.
on your lies that your guys that you left me. Probably choke me out if I talk and get messy. You want the Spanish mommy, put cameras on me. You banned your homies from talking to me. You got mad.
Woo! You banned your homies from talking to me.
If I talk and get messy. You want the Spanish mommy, put cameras on me. You banned your homies from talking to me. You got mad hoes, coulda bagged your bro, but your petty shit don't bother me. Cause good riddance. Fuck your feelings. Yeah, we got a kid and all, but you got to be.
Good riddance. Fuck your feelings. Yeah, we got a kid and all, but you got to be kidding. I know. I'm not good. I'm not good. But Snow is. Let's listen to her.
Good riddance. Fuck your feelings. Yeah, we got a kid and all, but you got to be. I ain't these hoes, take off they clothes, you all alone, everyone knows, cause as your child grow, bigger child support don't stack. I ain't gotta say shit, your baby said you sold. I ain't these good riddance. Fuck your feelings. Yeah, we got a kid and all, but you got to be kidding. Good riddance. Fuck your feelings. Yeah, we got a kid and all, but you got to be. He got a new dad. Oh my god.
Holy shit, this was a fun one. I love it.
Alright, got it! Cheers! Keep filming her, fuck that!
Your feelings.
Bro.
You alright? You need water? You need water? That's some good acting. Fucking great acting, man. Wake up, man. You gotta watch this shit. You need to wake up, man. Figure it out. You know? Cheers. The mustache goes on the Jack bottom. Man, ignore that bitch. She be wild. She be tripping. Oh shit, you took a picture, man. You took a fucking picture. She's gonna see it. Oh. Yo, you're gay, bro. Bro, you're gay. That's gay, man. I gotta What's wrong with you? Every time, man. Every time we drink, you drink a little too much. You wanna start fucking kissing me. God damn it. God damn it, Bill. Fuck. Fuck that bitch. Okay.
Bro, I'm worried about you.
Bro, relax. Relax. Girl, I don't got nothing to give you. I got some dick, though. I mean... Hello? What's wrong with you? I've been calling you for like 3 hours. The fuck?
Yeah.
Yo, what the fuck? You better get your ass up. Yo. What the fuck is wrong? Get your ass up. Yo, chill. Get home. You better get home. My fucking baby's crying. Who the fuck is this bitch? Why the fuck you gotta bring your little best friend? Oh, wow. You pick up the phone. What's your problem? Yo. No. Yo, chill. Yo. All right. That's what I'm talking about. Yo. Chill. Where the hell's my kid? Where's my kid? Yo. I don't always do that. I'm gonna fucking call ACS not that. ACS not that. We both tripping. Yo. We both Yo. I mean, at least hit me in the forehead. What? Yo. Chill. Whoa, what the? Stop fucking cheating on me. Stop throwing shit at me. Stop. Yo, chill. What you need to do is, you need to listen to the man. Oh, no. Don't do that.
My little baby.
That's my little junior. Me. That's my junior. Oh, no. My junior. Listen to Baba.
That was nothing but a good time. Don't need nothing but a good time. Yeah, that's a old jam. Okay. Like, comment, subscribe, please. Go show Snow and Daddy Juju some love on Snow's channel. The link to the original video will be down in the description box. Please go watch the video on their channel. Leave a like, leave a comment. If you're here watching this, I'm sure you subscribe to Snow. But if you're not, subscribe. Listen, she's fire. No matter what she sings, no matter what she does, she always looks beautiful and she always is fire. Alright, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Take care. Peace. I'm out.